In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. The first step is to open Settings. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accessibility from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Keyboard under Interaction. Toggle on the switch for on-screen keyboard to enable it. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.